everyone, and welcome back to English Unplugged. I'm Emily, and I'm so excited to be here with you today.
And I'm Mark. Today, we're talking about how to start a conversation in English.
Yes, starting a conversation can feel hard, but we'll make it fun and easy for you.
It's a great skill to make friends and practice English. Are you ready?
Let's jump in. Why is starting a conversation in English important?
It helps you meet new people and share your ideas.
Right. You can use it at school, work, or even with strangers. It makes you feel confident. Today, we'll share simple tips and phrases to start talking in English. It's easier than you think. Let's get started.
Okay, Emily, how do we start a conversation in English?
Great question, Mark. First, use a simple greeting. Say, hello, how are you? It's friendly and easy.
I like that. I say, hi, I'm Mark to new people. It feels natural.
Perfect. Everyone, pause the video and say, hello, how are you? Try it aloud now.
Nice. Another tip is to talk about the weather. I say, it's sunny today, isn't it? It's a classic way to start.
Yes, I say, it's cold today. Do you like it? It opens the conversation.
You can use it anywhere, like at a bus stop or a store.
Exactly. Everyone pause and say one thing about the weather. For example, it's rainy today. Say it now.
Awesome. Another tip is to ask about their day. I say, how's your day going? It shows you care.
Good one. I ask, what did you do today? It's simple and friendly.
A student might say, did you do anything fun today in class?
Or at work, you can say, how's your day at work? Everyone pause and say, how's your day? Try it aloud now.
Great. Another tip is to comment on the place. I say, this cafe is nice when I'm at a coffee shop.
Yes, I say, this park is beautiful. When I'm outside, it starts a chat easily.
A cashier might say, this store is busy today, to a customer.
Or a student might say, this classroom is big at school. Everyone, pause and say one thing about where you are. For example, this room is cool. Try it now.
Perfect. Another tip is to give a compliment. I say, I like your shirt to start a talk.
Great idea. I say, your bag is nice to someone new. It makes them smile.
A shop assistant might say, your shoes look cool to a customer.
Or a student might say, your notebook is pretty in class.
Everyone, pause and say one compliment. For example, I like your hair. Try it now. Perfect. Another tip is to ask about their name. I say, what's your name? It's a great start.
Yes, I say, I'm Emily. What's your name? It makes people feel special.
A shop assistant might say, hi, what's your name? To a regular customer.
Or a student might say, what's your name? To a new classmate. Everyone pause and say, what's your name? Try it now.
Awesome. Another tip is to talk about the event. I say, this party is fun at a gathering.
Good one. I say, this class is interesting at school. It starts a chat.
A driver might say, this festival is great at a local event.
Or an office worker might say, this meeting is important. Everyone pause and say one thing about an event. For example, this show is fun. Try it now.
Great. Another tip is to practice with a friend. I say, let's talk in English to my friend. It's safe and fun.
Yes, I say, can we practice English to my classmate? It helps me start.
A cashier might say, let's speak English to a coworker.
Or a nurse might say, "Can we talk in English to a friend?" Everyone pause and say, "Let's talk in English."
Nice. Another tip is to use excuse me for strangers. I say, "Excuse me, do you know the time?"
Polite and easy. I say, "Excuse me, where's the shop?" when I'm lost.
A waiter might say, "Excuse me, do you want water?"
Or a student might say, "Excuse me, can I ask a question?" Everyone, pause and say, "Excuse me, hi." Try it now.
Perfect. Another tip is to keep it short at first. I say, "Nice day," and that's enough.
Yes, I say, "See you later," to end a short chat. It's simple.
A nurse might say, "Have a good day," to a patient.
Or an office worker might say, "Nice to meet you." Everyone, pause and say, "Nice day." Try it.
Awesome. Another tip is to practice daily. I say, "Good morning," every day in English.
Great. I say, "How are you?" every morning. It builds confidence.
A shop assistant might say, "Welcome to my store," every day.
Or a student might say, "I'm ready," in class. Everyone pause and say one daily phrase. For example, "Good morning." Try it now.
Great. Another tip is to talk about something you see. I say, "That dog is cute," when I see a pet.
Nice. I say, "Those flowers are pretty in a park." It's easy to start.
A driver might say, "That car is fast," to a passenger.
Or a cashier might say, "That bag is nice." Everyone, pause and say one thing you see. For example, "That tree is big."
Perfect. One last tip. Be yourself. I say, "I love soccer," because it's true. It makes talking fun.
Yes, I say, "I love books," because I do. It feels natural.
A waiter might say, "I love cooking," to a customer.
Or a nurse might say, "I love helping people." Everyone, pause and say one thing you love. For example, "I love music." Try it now.
Awesome. These tips make starting a conversation in English fun and easy. Keep practicing, everyone.
Now, let's learn some new words to start conversations. We'll share 8 words today. Ready, Mark?
Ready. The first word is greeting. It means saying hello to someone. For example, my greeting is hi.
Nice. The second word is conversation. It means talking with someone, like, "I had a conversation today."
Good one. The third word is icebreaker. It means a question to start a talk. For example, "What's your name?" is an icebreaker.
Perfect. The fourth word is compliment. It means saying something nice, like, "I gave a compliment about her shoes."
Great. The fifth word is polite. It means being kind and respectful. For example, I say please to be polite.
Nice. The sixth word is friendly. It means being nice and warm, like, "I'm friendly when I talk."
The seventh word is chat. It means a short, easy talk. For example, I had a chat with my friend.
And the last word is confidence. It means feeling sure when you talk, like, "I speak with confidence."
Awesome. Let's repeat them, everyone. Pause and say greeting, conversation, icebreaker, compliment, polite, friendly, chat, confidence. Say them aloud.
Now, let's share how we start conversations in English. Mark, what's your story?
Sure. I started saying hi, nice day at work. Now I talk to customers easily in English.
That's great. I said, "What's your name?" in class. Now I have new friends from talking in English.
Cool. I said, I like your shirt to a stranger once. We talked for 10 minutes.
Nice. I said, "This food is good" at a party. It led to a fun chat about cooking.
I asked, do you like sports? And made a soccer friend.
Great. Everyone, pause and say one way you start a conversation. For example, I say hi. Try it now.
Starting a conversation in English is special. It helps you connect with the world.
Yes, every word you say shows who you are. It's like opening a door to new friends.
Be brave. Try new phrases and keep practicing. You'll feel so proud.
Well said, Mark. Every small talk makes you stronger in English. Now let's learn how to ask others about conversations. Mark, what's a good question?
You can say, how do you start a conversation? It's simple and fun.
Or, what's your favorite way to talk? It starts a great chat.
Another one is, do you like talking in English? It shows you're interested.
Let's practice. Everyone pause and say, "How do you start a conversation?" Say it aloud 3 times.
And try this one. What's your favorite way to talk? Say it aloud now.
Great job! Ask these questions to friends or classmates. It's a fun way to practice.
Wow, Emily, we learned so much. To start a conversation, use greetings, talk about weather, ask about hobbies, and smile.
And use our vocabulary: greeting, conversation, icebreaker, compliment, polite, friendly, chat, confidence. Practice every day.
Start with one phrase like hello. It helps you feel confident in English.
Thank you for joining English Unplugged. Keep talking and you'll be amazing.
Please like, subscribe, and comment. How do you start a conversation?
See you next time. Bye.
Bye and keep practicing.